Let's learn how to find percentages of amounts. This video covers the basics, so we'll be looking at 50%, 25% and 10%. The word percent means out of 100. Let's use a 100 square grid to illustrate this. If we colour in 25 squares, that's 25 out of 100. So 25% means 25 out of 100. Let's start with 50%. What is 50% of 80? If you split 80 into 2 equal parts, each part is 40. So 50% of 80 is 40. Now, let's try 25% of 80. If you split 80 into 4 equal parts, each part is 20. That means 25% of 80 is 20. Now, what about 10%? To find 10% of a number, just divide by 10. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. That means 10% of 80 is 8. Let's look at all three together. 50% means divide the number by 2. So 50% of 250 equals 125. 25% means divide by 4. So 25% of 160 is 40. And 10% means divide by 10. So 10% of 130 equals 13. Let's try one together. What is 25% of 60? First, we split 60 into 4 parts. Each part is 15, because 60 divided by 4 is 15. Or you can count the squares that are coloured in. So 25% of 60 is 15. Thanks for watching, Smarty Panthers. Want even more practice? Download your free printable workbook using the link in the video description. It's full of fun challenges to help you feel confident about the 11+. And while you're here, don't forget to explore our other brilliant lessons on the channel.